everybody, this is Johannas VLOG. I'm in a fun park in the Netherlands. I still had one ticket left, and before it would be cancelled I decided to use it and to be on my own in this huge wonderful park. So I would like to share some thoughts. We are now in the midst of chaos. Well, what is chaos? It's just a change of the present order in order to create a new order. So there is nothing wrong with it, because otherwise we will never ever change anything. So I would like to invite everybody to love chaos. Chaos is wonderful. And you can make an exercise in your house, for example, and empty a cupboard, put everything on the floor, look at all the mess that was in the cupboard, and then make new order. You clean the cupboard, perhaps you paint it, whatever. Whoa, I see a big, huge fish. Wow, really about 1.5 meters here around me. Perhaps he comes up again. Oh, that is amazing. Yeah, I'm talking about chaos, and I think chaos is necessary in order to get new order, a new settlement, a new environment where we can do what we want to do. So I was suggesting to empty the cupboard and to make order and to get rid of all the stuff that was in the cupboard that you don't need anymore. And in this way it is also for us to make order in our lives, in our heads, because our heads, almost everything starts in the mind. So to really observe your thoughts, your convictions, your paradigms, your dogmas, your rules, are they really valid still? Or can you also start to clean up your head and have really pure, nice, new thoughts that come from the heart? Because the heart has heart's desires, and if you bring that to your head, then the head can really fulfill the desires of your heart. The head is then servant of the heart. The heart becomes the ruler, the one that decides what will be when, and the head is just helping you to fulfill your dreams. So it is really time to go inside. It's really time to know that whatever you need is in the tiny space of your heart. So there is work that we do as teachers of Drempelo Melchizedek, remembering the heart. And there is a beautiful book, Living from the Heart, or Living in the Heart, and written by Drempelo Melchizedek, which you can study yourself and already understand how you can bring all the attention from the middle of your head to really the core of your heart. And there you will discover a whole new world. My main purpose today is having thoughts, reflecting about life, reflecting about my life, our lives, this creation, a about nature. And in this park, nature is being preserved in a very beautiful way. So the environment for me is really inspiring. I don't need to go into attractions, but I just want to enjoy the environment. That is what I really would love to do. And I would like to talk about all the experiences we are having in life. Some are very painful as from birth, and life can be harsh and painful, but at the end we can really transform all these sufferings into something that really serves us. And if it serves us, it serves everybody. And then we can really collect a lot of wisdom, and you can hear everybody screaming in an attraction that is a bit scary. Okay. And so you can really have lots of experiences in life that were painful. If we can really transform the pain into something that is neutral or perhaps even positive, then it serves us, and that is really nice. And that is all that helps us also to become a wise person and to help others to go through their experiences and transform their dramas into something that serves them and serve everybody. So that is something that you can do, and you can connect with me whenever you want, by email, or by you find forms on my website, merkabalight.com. Oh gosh, they go 360 degrees turning around their axis. Okay, it's an attraction that I don't go in anymore. Formerly perhaps yes, but now not. Okay, that is what happens with age. Then this excitement I don't need anymore, because I feel inner excitement. But I like to see it, and I love to go here and move around, be in peace and harmony with myself, with my environment. So please work on all the dramas that you had and get rid of energies that are not yours. And what am I talking about? For example, collective energies. Collective energies are the fears, and that is what is being created right now all around in the whole world with the COVID. I just call the name because all these fears make people get contracted, because there are only two ways in which you can live, and that is either contracted or expanded. Contracted is fear, expanded is love, is freedom, is joy. So yeah, you can choose. That is one of the collective energies. There are many more. Suppression is another one. Slavery. Yeah, bondage is also slavery. And well, I can give a long list. But there are also energies from the past with us. Sometimes we have gone through very dramatic experiences in our former lives or parallel lives, whatever you want to call it. And they have left an imprint of fear and misery in our system that also can be cleared. It can be that we have entities with us, and so on and so on. So all these energies can be removed, but you have to do it in a very professional way. Because if people get them out of you and then drop them beside you, okay, somebody else is going to suffer from it. So that's not a clean way of doing it. The way the Catholic Church was doing it was either a very good one. Exorcism was really a cruel thing to do also. It can be done in a very loving and smooth, soft way. So don't fear about it, because all these energies are already perhaps with you. So why would you be afraid of them? It is only they can consume a lot of energy from you. So it can leave you really exhausted and perhaps cause physical damage at the end if it takes a long time. All right, and so start really purifying yourself on all levels. Purify your body and start to live perhaps with less carbohydrates, because they are also not that good for us. All the sugars, they are poison. So start to look into healthy food. What is healthy food for one person is not necessarily healthy food for another person. But there are some ingredients that are not natural and that are bad for everybody at the end. And why are there so many people with diabetes? Yeah, it's due to all the excess of sugars, of course. So that is also how you can help yourself to be healthy and well. In 3.5 years I am 80 and I feel still like 20. So I say goodbye. Bye bye.